So, have you seen my screen?
हाँ सर देखा है।
Okay, fine. Uh, in our previous period, we have just completed exercise 1.1 and other basics of set. Yes or no?
सर मैथ्स क्लास છે
हाँ.
मैं બાયો કમ્પ્યુટર વાળો છું।
That's why I have clearly mentioned in message. Click the link for joining maths class. You didn't notice
સર
that thing?
આઈ ડોન્ટ સોરી સર
Okay.
ઇન્ટરનેટ
Okay. You can leave. Fine.
ઓકે
So today we are going to start with our new topic, which is already cleared, or you can say covered, in our previous period. That is types of set. Yes or no?
Yes.
On
Yes.
that thing, on that basis, today we have to start exercise 2.2. Sorry, 1.2. All these things are already cleared. Yes or no?
हाँ
Like finite and infinite sets,
इक्वल सेट नहीं ने
equal set, then equal set. Yes or no?
हाँ यस
Now, start with our exercise 1.2. The first question: which one of the following are examples of null set? Now, what is null set?
जीरो હોય अंडर एलिमेंट नहीं હોય
Yes,
empty element
the set having no element, or you can say empty set. Yes or no? Now,
yes
you have to select which of the following
Yes.
is null set. First one, set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. क्या ये null set
सर आનો
रहेगा?
सेट છે
Set
हाँ
છે?
सेट છે
How? Here, that is odd, मतलब 3,
हाँ
5,
odd नहीं હોય
and all odd number never being divisible by 2. Yes or no?
yes yes
So, the first one is empty set.
empty हाँ
Yes or no? Now, second one, set of even prime numbers.
સેટ છે
It is not empty set.
Yeah, it is set. Now, third one, x, where x is a natural number and x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7.
સેટ છે
How? Just look at
numbers
the condition. x मेरा 5 से छोटा होना चाहिए और 7 से बड़ा. Is it possible?
ना
Is there any number which is less than 5 but greater than 7? Huh?
no
So
No.
it is null set.
null
Now,
set
fourth one, y, where y is a point common to any parallel lines. Think about it. क्या ये null set है? So इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें दो पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
If I
Yes.
represent this line on a graph, let's take this point is 1, 1. So, is there any common
નો
point between two parallel line?
No.
So,
no
the set is
એમટી સેટ
yes or no?
યસ
Clear है यहाँ
Yes.
तक? यहाँ तक clear है?
हाँ
All these questions are logic. आपको आपका लॉजिक लगाना है so that you can check whether it is null set or set having members. Clear? Have you noted down all this question in your notebook? Hello?
ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં કરતા છે.
Okay, fine, no problem. Now, second question. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? So, as you know, finite matlab having limited members, or you can say the elements are countable.
કાઉન્ટેબલ,
And for infinite, there are numbers of
નોન
elements.
કાઉન્ટેબલ.
Yes. So, the set of months of a year.
ફાઇનાઇટ.
Finite. Yes.
કેમ કે આપણે મોન્ટા ગણી શકીએ, 12 જ આવે ને.
Yes. For second.
Infinite.
Yeah, because here it is a 3 dots. Now, for third one,
ફાઇનાઇટ.
finite. Finite. Now,
ફોર્થ વન ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ.
fourth one, infinite.
Infinite.
How?
સર
Because
100
greater than
થી ગમે
100
તેટલી
થી
જાય.
infinity
Yes,
સુધી જાય.
yes, yes.
લેખ જાય, કરોડ જાય,
Greater than
ગમે તેટલું
100.
જાય.
Greater than 100. So it is. Now for next,
ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ.
infinite. Finite.
નહીં નહીં, ફાઇનાઇટ.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now the third one. State whether each of the following sets is finite or infinite. First one, set of line which are parallel to x-axis.
Infinite.
Yeah, here there is my x-axis and y-axis. I can draw many lines parallel to x-axis, so it is infinite. Now for next,
Finite.
yeah,
ફાઇનાઇટ.
it is 26. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now third one,
ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ.
Infinite. Yes.
because many numbers can be multiplied with 5, which is not countable. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sets of animals living on earth.
મેબી ફાઇનાઇટ.
Anyone else? Hmm? Anyone else?
નો.
Maybe finite. Yes.
Why? Finite.
સર કેમ કે ઝૂલોજી વાળા હોય એ લોકોએ કાઉન્ટેબલ તો કરલા જોઈએ ને કે આટલા સ્પીસીસ છે આપણી પાસે આના.
There are numbers of
કહી શકીએ
animal. There are numbers of animal, but we can categorize that animal according to their environment, or you can say their उनका जो
Habitats.
habitats उसके हिसाब से हम categorize किया हुआ है already, like in forest, in water, etc. Yes or no? So it is
ફાઇનાઇટ.
finite. Now for next,
ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ.
Infinite.
sets of circle passing through the origin. मतलब
હા સર.
Infinite.
ઓરિજિન થી
Yes.
કેટલા બહુ બડા પાસ થાય, ક્રોસિંગ થાય ત્યાંથી.
yes or no?
Yes.
યસ.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, question number 4. In the following state, whether A equal to B or not. For first one,
Is equal to A and B
Yes.
is equal to.
Equal.
second one,
Not equal.
નોટ
Yes.
ઇક્વલ.
Not equal.
third one,
થર્ડ વન
Equal.
ઇક્વલ.
no.
Yes.
Just check.
Equal, sir.
ઇક્વલ સર.
Yeah.
Not equal. 15 ને 25 થોડી multiple છે.
એની વાત હોય ચાલતી છે અહીંયા
ઇવન ઇન્ટીજર.
Third ની
મેં
વાત
fourth ની કેવું છું.
Okay. Fourth equal છે. What about fifth? X is the multiply of 10.
ઓ
No.
નહીં है.
Clear?
हाँ
Yes.
Are the following pairs of sets equal? Give the reason.
Yes, equal. 9
हाँ
हाँ इक्वल છે
minus 6 આમાં. X
એક
square
માઇનસ
minus 5x
માઇનસ
plus 6.
આવે
આપણે 6 ને ડિવાઈડ કરીએ તો here
हाँ,
થ્રી
x
ટુ
minus 3 and x
ये
minus
हाँ
5.
minus 5 है.
Yes or no?
એટલે
So
Yes.
it is not equal. For next,
ઇક્વલ
Yes, equal.
because for set A it is only F O
F O
L
L
એફ
double.
એલ
એલ ડબલ્યુ
ને એનું ઊંધું કરલું છે
हाँ.
વુલ્ફ
Yes or no?
યસ
Yes.
Now from the sets given below select equal sets. जो जो सेट
Equal
इक्वल है
set.
उसको हमें
બી ને ડી બી ને ડી
B N
E ने G.
ઈ
D
ને જી હા બસ
E N G.
જી
Anyone else?
નહીં હવે નહીં
No.
Clear? Is it clear? Now we are going to start with new topic, that is
Subset.
Can anyone know what is subset?
સર એટલે જો આ જાય કે 2 4 8 12 છે
Hmm.
તેનું જ સબસેટ હોઈ શકે 2 4 8 ખાલી
Hmm. Subset मतलब the set which contain all the members comparatively with other set. मतलब set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of A is also in an element of B. मतलब
B.
मेरे पास एक सेट है.
સર એટલે આ ઇક્વલ સેટ જેવું છે
ना 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 ना.
અલગ છે
If
ભાઈ
my set A is 1 2 3 and my set B is 1 2 3
2,
4
3.
5 6. Now
6
all the element of set A is in set B,
ઇઝ ઇન બી
so that A
A
is
is subset of
subset
B.
of
Set.
B. Yes or no?
Yes.
सबसेट मतलब दो सेट को अगर हम कंपेयर करते हैं और एक सेट के सभी एलिमेंट दूसरे सेट में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं बट इन वेरिंग नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट. मतलब ए के अंदर 3 नंबर है और बी के अंदर 6 है, लेकिन ए के तीनों एलिमेंट बी के अंदर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? ए इज द सबसेट ऑफ
subset.
बी.
B.
यस और नो?
Yes.
द सिंबल.
Sir.
हाँ
આ ને આપણે એવો સેટ છે કે A ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ સેટ એમાં બી સેટ વન્સ
like this. Yes or no?
ના ના
तो हेलो हेलो. अगर ऐसा नहीं तो कैसा है?
એક સેટ છે
हम्म.
એની અંદર બી બીજો સેટ છે તેની અંદર 1 લખેલો છે
लाइक एक सेट से हमारे पास है 1.
હમ
हेलो हाँ बीजो सेट
ને